easier than you're making it seem.
Okay.
Look at me go.
Look at you splashing me. What the fuck?
I hadn't been to London since 2017.
Praying nobody sits in between us. Okay.
My cousin Al had just moved there, and I went to visit with my mom. A couple of bad tattoos, and 4 years later, I'm back, baby.
This is so easy, she says. More importantly, where's my gin?
I didn't really film a lot in London, except for the places we ate, on my iPhone. So sorry for the quality. First up was Scott's, a fish restaurant in Mayfair, London, known for its huge selection of market fresh fish, seafood, and caviar, and an elegant oyster and champagne bar. Large. Then we headed to Shoreditch, a hipster, artsy area with the Soho House and some great places to shop and eat. The eating part we fucked up.
Get this, all for herself. She knows I'm on a diet. Get you a girl that can do both. It looks like shit. What is that, a hot dog bun?
It's shit, but you're passing it to me?
You lied to us. Do I have anything on my face?
No.
Throw it up. Fucking trash.
After those shitty donuts, we headed to Primrose Hill for a little picnic. Primrose Hill is a public park that overlooks Regent Park and the city of London.
Look at this view, though. We got a little romantic picnic going on here. Babe cooked me pasta from scratch.
It's actually good.
Hand rolled it in the kitchen, guys. Wow. I don't know what the hell that is. Hey, it looks like meat. You sure? Mm-hmm. Comment down below if it looks like meat.
It's not meat.
This is a great place to watch the sunset and people, because there are some fucking weirdos.
So Chloe had to go get her hair done today. Maybe she just wants some time away from me. Maybe she's not even getting her hair done. I don't really know. And anywho, my cousin Rich and Lara are going to the River Cafe, which is supposed to be a nice, cool spot. So I'm gonna go meet them there for lunch. River Cafe, please.
Riverside Cafe, yeah?
I think so.
The River Cafe is a 1 Michelin star restaurant located obviously on the river. It's Italian cuisine and the menu changes weekly. Definitely check it out.
Same shirt, different day. We're going to Scalini for dinner, meeting cousin Ricardo. Fit check. She always looks so good. I just look like her fucking personal trainer. Richard! Look at that timing.
Wait. What's up, guys?
There's Nish.
Yeah.
I was Portugal.
Hey, no, that's his.
Scalini is a traditional Italian restaurant that's been around in Chelsea since 1988. Highly recommended. Some of the best Italian food I had in London and possibly Europe.
Whoa, of course. No, you guys said you were full.
After 4 bowls of pasta, if you got enough room for the dessert, do it. Highly recommend that shit. Do it.
Are you gonna sing to us?
Well, you booked me, didn't you, sir? You booked me for your beautiful lady.
Wow, I did indeed. Actually, she booked it. I think she wants to sing with you.
Should I start?
Yeah. Please.
No.
Come on.
No,
Hey,
no.
this is the vlog.
No, I'm not doing it. Especially not for the vlog.
Why?
Can you sing for us, sir?
Well, I'm going to sing to you.
Yay!
What's the occasion, anyway?
It's our anniversary.
Is what?
It's our anniversry.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh wow, brilliant.
Ooh.
And what's the, how long?
5 years.
Okay, well that's good. And,
Met on Tinder.
This is the singingcabbie.com, and that's what you do. You ring me up and you say, look, I'm taking my beautiful girlfriend, partner, wife, mother, whatever, and we're going to a restaurant, and that's what I do. I turn in my dicky bow, and we sing the songs.
Okay.
Yeah. Zach and Chloe, 5 years. Amazing. They booked me especially for this. You got
Love
that?
you, babe. Happy anniversary.
Chloe's going to give us a song later as well.
Yes, yes.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna touch you so much. At a long last, the lovers arrive. And I think God let me stay.
Happy anniversary,
and
baby.
let me love you. Yeah, come on and love you.
Low key, I could sing better than him. Why didn't you duet with him? You could have saved him. I was awful. Sorry, Kent.
Well, hopefully you got some ideas for places to eat and places to not eat. That's it for my London trip, and that's it for my Euro trip. Back to North America we go.